Yeah. Here we go.
Player, why you hating on me? I can't help it that I look this way. I can't help it that your girl wanna get with me. Now tell me what would you do? Let's reverse and put you in my shoes. Tell me what would be your game plan to keep this from happening, homie. Oh, why you coming at me? Why you coming at me? You need a handcuff, yo, girl. Cause you're checking for me. Cause you're checking for me, yeah. Homie, why you coming at me? Why you coming at me? You need a handcuff, yo, girl. Cause you're checking for me. Cause you're checking for me. Handcuff, girl. Handcuff, yo, girl. Yeah, she around me. Handcuff, girl. If you don't check me, leave it with me. Handcuff, girl. Since you think your girl is so innocent, and you think that what I'm saying is nonsense, you think you got your girl on lock, but when your back is turned, your girl is blowing up the spot. If you don't believe me, check this. 8555-2736. I'm not trying to step in your zone, but you're coming at me like I'm in the wrong. Oh, why you coming at me? Why you coming at me? You need a handcuff, yo, girl. Cause you're checking for me. Cause you're checking for me, yeah. Oh, yeah. Why you coming at me? Why you coming at me? Yeah. You need a handcuff, yo, girl. Cause you're checking for me. Cause you're checking for me. Handcuff, girl. Handcuff, yo, girl. Yeah. She around me. She around me. If you don't check me, leave me. Handcuff, girl. Yeah, yo, girl. Handcuff, girl. She around me. Cause I'm taking right now. I take from handcuff.
You better handcuff that before Jay grab that. I boosted chick for my man, I gotta bag that. You be spending all that cash, keeping shorty in the Von Dutch, and you just tricking on the wrong duck. You see they like the way I'm spitting the lines, and she attracted to the youngin' that be hugging the grind. It says, simple as this, I wonder if she gonna be mine. It's real talk, it ain't even a rhyme. You wanna holler all day about where she was. You confused in your heart about who she loves.
Yep.
Just maybe if you stop being tight, you ain't gotta be thinking about me and your wife.
Wow.